heads. So one with the needle, so you can go into really precise and tiny little like tunnels, edges of the crystal and frame, and fill in with the precision glue gel, so then it keep it completely sealed, and also is protect your beads and your frame from tarnish, because we're washing our hands a lot. So now if you're watching me, I'm going to check on the beads. I'm going to seal completely the beads. I'm going to go around with the crystal and check it around. Make sure you don't want to squeeze it on the top of the crystal, because you want to protect your crystal from getting dull and you know, like seal up, because you don't want that all that sparkle and the fastest is gonna be completely covered. So I'm gonna seal this on the top of right here on the frame right here to keep it like really nice and fresh, to prevent from tarnish, because we wash our hands a lot of hand sanitizers, a lot of cleanings, a lot of disinfected. So we want to make sure that the nails is still remaining really nice and fresh. So okay, so now if you're happy, you can definitely seal it again, you know, after you cure. If you feel like it's still there, still scratchy, definitely it seals it again, but do a 10-second cure first before you go back. But after you go back and seals it and you're happy with this and you think it's good, cure for 60 seconds, and then using alcohol and wipe off on the top of the crystal to remove all the wax residues, and then you are good to go. I'm going to seal on the top of the frame. Top of the frame. Okay. And seals that completely. But on the sides of the crystal, you want to go on the sides and make sure that you're getting all the edges, not on the top of the crystals. Frame, bead, and frames. And happy with this, we're going to cure for 60 seconds, okay? So this is a raspberry. All right, so don't lose this red cap, because this is going to definitely protect your precision glue gels, last longer, and then prevent from getting clogged and under any circumstance. All right, so here is, let's take a look. This is beauty. Yesterday we did, not too long ago, it's like maybe less than 12 hours ago, we just did the live videos earlier, and also earlier last night, and with Vicky. She's really awesome. She joined me, so then keep me company. And then I did the watermelon just now and raspberry. So this is a two completely look using transfer foil with the Velvetty Gel. Keep in mind, Velvetty Gel is so flexible, easier, lighter, and also weighing it so strong, and it's perfect for beginner as well as a great in advanced. Personally, I really enjoying it, because it's odorless, and it's also is really easy for me to building a structure of the nails, especially manipulating the beads as well. So here is our grapes and blueberry, and then our watermelons, and then raspberry. I'm gonna put the name on it so we won't be messed up.